Hello everyone, welcome to Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I am your nutritionist Jyoti and today I am going to make a healthier version of chakli, that is non-fried besan chakli. Chakli is one of the favorite festive snack. Beat anyone, adults to kids, everybody loves to munch on chaklis. Since chaklis are usually deep fried and contain lots of calories, let's see how to make the chaklis as crispy as the regular ones with minimum amount of oil. So let's begin with the recipe. Usually rice flour is used for making the chaklis, but today I'll be using besan instead of rice flour to make the dough. Besan will not let your blood sugar level rise quickly, which makes it a diabetic friendly ingredient. Plus it is also rich in proteins. I'll be also using whole wheat flour into it. It is very common ingredient found in every household. Now I'll add little sesame seeds into it to enhance the taste of the chaklis. Now pep it up with some masalas, red chili powder, hing, that is asafoetida, turmeric powder. Now we will add 2 teaspoons of hot oil into the flour to ensure that the chakli becomes nice and crispy. We'll also add curds into it and salt as per your taste. Mix all the ingredients well and knead it into a soft dough using enough water. Add water very gradually so that the dough doesn't become very lumpy. Now the dough is ready, so let's start shaping the chaklis. This is the chakli press and I'll be using the star shaped plate. We'll put the star shaped plate into the chakli press, shape the dough into the cylindrical roll and put it into the press. Seal the lid properly and swirl the chaklis onto a greased baking tray. In the same way, we'll make more chaklis. Now the chaklis are ready. What's remaining is the last step, that is baking them. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. So the crispy chaklis are ready. Slightly cool them and enjoy. You can also store it in an airtight container and take it to work and enjoy with your friends. Do try this simple and delicious healthier version of chakli. You can also send your feedback in the comment section. Till then, goodbye.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.